There are a couple of different ways to eliminate a hornet's nest outdoors. First, you must locate the actual nesting area. You'll need to watch the active hornets and follow them back to the nest. It is very important that you keep your distance so you don't disturb the nest. Hornets often make their nest in trees, bushes, hanging off of buildings, and in other areas that are not disturbed often. Once you have located the nest, you can decide which of the outlined treatment methods would best suit your needs. Both methods should be done in the late evening when the hornets are inside the nest and less active. Be sure to wear long sleeves, long pants, and enclosed shoes. If the nesting area is hard to move away from quickly, we strongly urge you to consider purchasing and wearing a complete bee suit to help protect yourself from being stung. If the nest poses an immediate threat, we recommend doing a direct spray into the nest. Please note that this method can expose you to a hornet attack if you are not extremely careful. You will need a fast-acting knockdown product such as Wasp Freeze. You should begin by spraying the opening of the nest. Make sure to spray the Wasp Freeze inside the nest. Be ready with a can of Wasp Freeze and spray any emerging hornets directly for a fast kill. After the area has completely dried, you should remove the nest and destroy it if possible. Put the nest inside a plastic bag and dispose of it, or put it in a bucket of soapy water. If this is not possible, you should retreat the nest with a residual such as Tempered every 14 days until all of the immature wasps have been killed. If the nest does not pose an immediate risk, you can do a dust treatment. Dusting the nest exposes you to less risk of being stung, but it can take longer to kill the hornets. You will need to use a dust such as Tempo or Delta Dust and a hand duster. Apply the dust liberally directly to the entrance of the nest and move away quickly. Depending on the size of the nest, this method can take a few days to a couple of weeks. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwnPestControl.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more instructional and product videos.